Please message them to join with this link. Fast, please. The board is visible, right? Guys, please
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yeah. Right, shall we start? Guys, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
Go ahead. Sorry?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Ready, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll continue with the previous topic where we are stopped in the previous class, and we'll finish off this topic of number one of module, unit number one. And today you'll be having some activity in the class. At the end, I will give you some game to play. Everyone has to be a part of that game. Uh, let's make more interactive this class. I want some response from your side also. Right, let us continue with the previous one. Like we have learned the topic like system, surrounding, boundary, universe, and in that we have gone through the types like closed, open, isolated. Now we learn in detail about all the system with examples. I'll show you the PPT with the figures, explanations, and all. First, let me recall about this topic, and then we'll move on to the examples. Right. So in the class, anyone can define the system. Can anyone? Can anyone define a system? Please. You can unmute yourself and you can answer the. Do not make me to pick the particular person and make me. Please. Anyone?
Space where all the objects
Hmm.
be.
It is the region or the space in which the matter is being focused, or the study which we are going to have is nothing but we say it as a system. So in this, you have another one which is nothing but surrounding. So what is that surrounding? Anything beside to the system is nothing but we say it as a surrounding. There is in between a boundary. Boundary is nothing but which is a separation part of your system and then surrounding. And next you have universe. What is that universe? Putting together your system and surrounding is called as a universe. Please, when the class has been done, you have to recall all the topics which is already we have learnt. Then you will not forget, or else simply listening to the class doesn't make any sense. And few people are switching on your mobile and putting it side. For them also there is some kind of exercise from today's class. I will let you know what to be done. Based on that itself the attendance will be given simply by going through the Google form, like this is a present at this time. At the end answering the attendance doesn't make any sense. I want everyone to be involved in the class. Okay. So system is defined as a quantity of matter or a region in space chosen to study, and surrounding us the mass of the region outside the system is called a surrounding. And the boundary which I told you, separation, which may be real or it may be imaginary, that separates the system from its surrounding. And also I told you the boundary, it may be fixed or it may be movable, which is already I told you. This boundary which is in contact with the surface can be the system one, or it may be a surface one shared by both the system and surrounding. Okay, that is nothing but the boundary. And if you say mathematically, this boundary has zero thickness and it may contain a mass, or it neither it contain any of the mass or neither any of the volume in the space, right? So environment, if you take an example, it is considered as it can be viewed as a system. Okay, right. So in this you have closed, open, and isolated. Closed in the sense anything, there is no mass coming out and there is no mass living in, living out and coming in. That is nothing but we say it as a closed system. So in this, please make a note such a way, like in this closed system there is no mass entering or leaving, but there is an energy transfer. Okay, so that energy transfer, I've given you an example also, such a way like considering a pot, water in that with the cap filled and giving some heat to that, how the phase change is taking place by energy transfer, but there is no mass coming in and leaving out. So that is the best example which I have considered for the closed system. And next is open system. Open system in the sense which you have the mass entering in and mass leaving out, both. It may happen simultaneously, or else it may have mass in and later mass out. Okay, that is nothing but we say it as an open system. If you take an examples of closed system, IC engine, which comes under a closed system, bomb calorimeter, it comes under a closed system. Okay, and coming to open system, pressure cooker, which comes under an example of a closed system. And open system, all the mechanical systems which we are learning in our thermodynamics or maybe in complete mechanical engineering, you that comes under the example of open system. Like compressor is an example of open system, turbine is an open system where you have your mass coming in, mass leaving out. Okay, so a lot of examples of your engineering applications which all comes under the example of open system. Okay, and next comes the last one which you have is isolated system. So what is an isolated system? Isolated system is nothing but in that case there is no mass transfer, no mass coming out, and there is no energy transfer. Anything is not there. It is completely isolated from others. Okay, the best example for this isolated system is thermoflask. If you take an example as a thermoflask, where if you fill the thermoflask with the hot water or maybe a cold water, even after some time, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours also, if even if it is in contact with the environment and all, there is no change in the temperature. If it is hot, it remains still hot. If it is cold, it remains cold. That is nothing but we say it as an isolated system. Well, if you go through more examples of the isolated systems and all, I'll with the figures, I will share the PPT such that it will be easy for you to understand. I'll give you more examples also to clearly understand about all these three cases. Okay, shall we start the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
From my other account, I'm actually presenting. Is it presenting one visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. I should go for the PPT. Yeah, these are the examples which I have given you over there. You can observe the best that you like. I can zoom it. Right. What is an example of this?
Closed system.
Close it.
Yeah,
Close
closed system one. Yeah, this is an example which I've considered for one of the IC engine one, or which consists of a cylinder, which consists of the piston and all those things, in which the gas is present over there. So what is the system in that? What is the system in that?
2 kgs gas.
The gas is the system in that. So which consists of quantity, which is given as 2 kg, and the volume which is given over there is 1 meter cube. Right. So the moving boundary, what is a moving boundary over there?
Boundary.
Distance.
What is
It's
what
like
is
the lid, sir. Lid.
Lid, sir.
That is the piston, whatever which is present at the top, which is given in that color. I will actually go with the sketching so that it will be easy for you to understand. Right, this thing I am telling you, it is highlighted red, right? That is your piston. That is your boundary, whether it is a movable or fixed one.
Movable.
Moving, sir. Moving,
Yeah,
sir.
movable.
Movable, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
because what is happening over there is at the bottom you have another one which is a fixed boundary. There are two boundaries over there. One is a movable boundary, another one is fixed boundary. To that fixed boundary, there is some heat which has been given. So by that heat which has been given, the gas which is present over there will try to expand due to the rise in temperature. When the temperature rises, obviously your piston which is present over there, the moving boundary will move up. And such that what happens over there, the volume will change. So the second figure, if you observe, what is given over there, the quantity of the mass which is given is same, but what happens to the volume? Volume is increasing. What is the reason? It is because due to the rise in temperature, one of the property, thermodynamic property. So what are thermodynamic properties? We'll learn next. And this is about the example of the closed system. You can observe in the left figure also, which is given the mass cannot cross the boundary of a closed system, but the energy can. That energy is due to the heat which has been given. Due to that, the temperature rises, your piston moves up. This is an example of the closed system. Is it clear? And there is another one.
Yes, sir.
We see it as a figure which is given. Zoom it. The second one which is given, the B figure, you can observe over there. There is a control volume. CV is nothing but the control volume. Okay. With fixed and mass boundaries as well as real and imaginary boundaries. What is meant by control volume is nothing but where here, for the case of your closed system, where you do not have your mass going out or coming in, here there is a figure which is given like your mass is allowing to come in. Have you observed the figure over here? In the left side. See, please. Anyone please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, when the mass is coming in, that case we say it as control volume. The control volumes comes under the case of an open system. So this figure is an example of a open system where you have your mass coming in and such a way like you have both the boundaries again. One is moving boundary, another one is a fixed boundary. So here the system is same again, the gas which is present over there. Okay. So this is your focus attention. And what is the surrounding here? What is the surrounding? The atmospheric air which is coming in contact to your what do you call this engine block?
Boundary.
The boundary for that. Okay. So that is one figure. And next is another one which you can observe over here, which I told you an example. The boundary may be real or may be imaginary. Just before I have given you an example where the boundary is real. Right? Now the example is the boundary is imaginary. Let me show you here. See this red line which is given the entry. This is an example of a nozzle. What is a nozzle? Anyone has an idea about this nozzle? Nozzle is nothing but which is the decrease in cross section, where due to the decrease in cross section you have your increase in velocity and decrease in pressure. This is according to the Bernoulli's principle, which is already you learn in your schooling level. Also you will learn in next in FMHM. The nozzle can be a convergent, can be a divergent. This is an example of a convergent one where it's a decrease in area, and you have your divergent also where you have your increase in area, such like your velocity will decrease and your pressure will increase. We want sometimes your pressure to increase, sometimes your pressure to decrease. That depends upon the application where your focus or attention is maintaining. So this is one the example for today's in the thermodynamic one, and the next class you may get in the next subject, that is applied thermodynamics. You have a separate chapter dealing only with nozzle. You have a convergent and divergent nozzle. For this, only based on the figure, now we are saying you like convergent divergent. Based on the mathematical application, also we say like whether it is a convergent or divergent, and when you go into the applied thermodynamics. Okay, so this is about the imaginary one. So here we are imagining such a like for the inlet which is coming in, this is an imaginary, like it starts from the flow over here and the pressure starts decreasing and your velocity starts increasing. At the exit, you have another imaginary one where in that case at last point your velocity is highest and your pressure is lowest. Clear with the examples
Yes, sir.
for the closed system, open system, and as well as a moving boundary and as well as the imaginary boundary. Now I've given you another example. You can observe over here there is a dog, right? So for this, what is going to happen over here when you observe the figure? There is ingestion food drink which is taking in, and there is a carbon dioxide or other gases which is coming out, and it is taking air in, and exertion, the waste products coming out, and there is a boundary which is given. So this comes under an example of, what is an example for that? Open system. It is.
Open, sir.
There is an ingestion food drink coming in.
Mass is changing.
Yeah. Next one. Another example given over there. There's a human being one. Just before I taken a dog one. Now you can take as a human being one. Ingestion food coming in into the gut. And next is we have exertion and the carbon dioxide gases which is released after your digestion, and all the other waste products coming out. This is an example of
Same.
open system.
Open, sir.
Right. Next, another example which is given over here. You can observe the solar radiation which is coming on to the plants. So you can observe the figure there, the boundary given. There is a control surface, a new word which is given. Control surface is nothing but we also say it as a boundary. Okay, sometimes some wording will be given as control surface, sometimes it will be given as a boundary. Do not confuse, because you know majorly in IAS exams and all it will be given as control surface. It will not be given as a boundary at all. Okay. So what the examples which are discussing right now, you will get directly in the exam, like the pressure cooker comes under an example of, or the turbines comes under the example of open system, closed system. In that way, you will get an examples, questions, whatever we are discussing right now in the class. So this is an example of which system?
Closed system.
Closed system.
Open.
Sir,
Open
sir.
system.
Open system.
Right. Next one. Go through the other slide. Where is it? Just a minute. Right. So here you can observe the other figures of examples which is given. The car engine. Have you observed that? The car engine which is given, which is already given this example at the introduction one. You have a cooling system one where you have your air blown in the radiator and the air out, the fuel in after the combustion, and heat from the engine, and next is the hot exhaust gases coming out. So what is an example of this?
Open system.
Open system. In the left side, you can observe another figure which is given. What is that example of that?
Close one.
Closed one, right? And the top one, another example which is given.
Closed ones. Closed system.
Isolated.
Isolated, right? Who is that?
Vishwan.
Yashwant. Very good, excellent. That is actually an isolated system. How you come across that it is an isolated system?
I studied this example, sir, last day.
Okay. So in the special case, what is happening over here is like there is a gas A in the left column and the gas B another one. There are few properties which is given over there as pressure, temperature, volume and all. And there is a valve in between. There is a separation by having a valve over in between. And when there is a separation, when you open the wall, the gas which is contained in the container A will be allowed to flow on to the gas B container. But here the valve is closed continuously, so such a way like you do not have the gas contained in the container B. When there is the valve opening, it comes directly and fills the gas B. So coming to an example of the isolated, whether you have any case of heat coming out or coming in, or any work is being done in or out, that is we need to observe. There is no mass coming in, there is no mass leaving out, and there is no energy transferring taking place. Why? Because you can observe the dotted figures which is given there, the dotted lines, that is nothing but we say it as insulated. So when it is an insulated, there is no heat transfer coming in or going out, and there will be no work which is being done. You can ask me why there is no work done. This example I will give you again in first law of thermodynamics unit number 2. In that I will explain you the same example, considering like there will be no work done in this case of example, comes under an isolated one. Please do remember this figure. At that moment you can ask me the doubt once again. As of moment, there is no heat transfer coming in, coming out. If you take any other examples like turbine, your cars, automobiles, everything will be insulated. Why it is insulated? We do not want the heat to move out, because once the heat which is present over there, it converts into work. When the work is being done, obviously the output product which is required, your efficiency, everything will be done. Is it clear with this example?
Yes, sir.
Right. We move on to the next one. There is another example which is given here as the computer one. Have you observed this figure? Anyone remember this? In the first introduction class, I have given you the figure. There is a cooled air coming in. There is a card desk, system boundary, computer, warm air. What is your aim? The heat which is generated inside the computer due to the input work which is being done, it should allow to flow out by having a fan which is present over there, which provides you a cool air coming over there from the blade. So it is an example of which kind of system over here? Anyone answer, please? Omar Abdullah.
Closed. Open, sir.
Yes, it is an example of an open system, because the cold air coming in and warm air is going out. So you can observe the temperature versus the time which is given over there, this graph, where air at the exit and air that enters is maintaining constant. That may be sometimes constant, it may not be sometimes, but here in this case of example, how the cool air is coming in, the warm air is going out. This is an example of steady flow. Have you heard the word anytime before, steady flow? Steady flow.
In fluid mechanics, sir.
Yeah, in the fluid mechanics you'll come across all this. Steady flow is nothing but the properties such a way like the pressure, temperature, whatever which you have with respect to time. If it remains constant, we say it as steady flow. If it doesn't remain constant with respect to time, we say it as unsteady flow. So all the processes in our thermodynamics, heat transfer, everything will consider as a steady flow itself. That will be our assumptions. So whenever you are solving any problem, we should make some assumptions. That assumptions I will list you out, like considering steady flow, unsteady flow, uniform flow, non-uniform flow, and all those kinds of properties flows. You learn more in detail in fluid mechanics. As of now, we are dealing only with the two words, steady flow and unsteady flow. Remember that. You can take another example over there, which is given the water stove and there, the system boundary, and you have your water temperature graph. So what is an example for that? Which comes under which system? Closed system. Because the water which has been there at the top, which has been closed, and you have your energy transfer, but there is no mass. And this comes under which kind of example? Whether it is steady flow or unsteady flow?
Steady flow only.
Steady flow.
Unsteady flow.
It is unsteady flow. You can observe from the graph itself, as a water temperature which is present with respect to time, temperature is increasing. It's not remaining constant with respect to time. So it comes under an example of unsteady flow.
Unsteady flow.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, why I'm stressing more on these things is like these examples problems will solve from unit number 2. you are not clear with the concepts, it is very difficult to understand. I may not be repeating all this again at the moment of the unit number 2. Right, next one. Please remember all those things. Now you have an exam now, a game, everyone has to play that. Okay. And next is the example which is given for the left side. What is an example? Water heater. Have you observed the figure?
Yes,
The water heater, right? So what is an case example which comes under the water heater?
Close.
Sorry,
Close.
closed system. You're not confident by going all this number of examples. Just understand there is a water heater, the water is coming in, the water is going out. In, out, mass, fine.
Open system, sir.
Open system, simple
Yes,
example.
sir. Yes, sir.
Why you're confusing by showing all number of examples? And another one, figure which is given over there. The second figure, please identify this.
Which one, sir?
This middle portion one, the pressure cooker one. Oh my god, why are you taking this much time?
Closed system.
Closed system itself simple. Fat answer दे देना. Right side. The tap, the water flowing in onto the
Open.
container. Open system.
Open, sir.
Next, bottom one.
Open system.
Open system. Where the compressor,
Open
where
system.
the low pressure air is coming in, and the control surface is
Going
nothing but
out.
your boundary. The heat is flowing out, and the work has been done. It allows your motor to rotate by the rotation of the motor, and you have your high pressure out, which is coming because it is converting your low pressure air into the high pressure air. That is nothing but the aim of your compressor, which you fill your gas in your automobiles and all. Okay. So this is about your boundary system, closed system. I hope you are clear with this, all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we start the exam and pay the claim?
Yes, sir.
Everyone ready? I'll stop sharing this and I will start the exam. Definitely, I guess everyone will enjoy. Let's see who will be the winner for today's. Just a moment, give me a moment. Hello. Right, guys, please, I'll tell you a website. Please open that. www.kahoot.it. I will chat it over here. You can click on this link. Please click on this link. Everyone, please try to click on this link. I will start presenting.
Sir, game pin.
I will give you a game pin. Just a moment. I will start it. Anyone has idea about this Kahoot?
No, sir.
No one?
No, sir.
Is that screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
Right. This is the game pin. Please look at the screen and enter your game pin 201 3686. I want all the players to come in. Then we'll start the game. Vikas, Suhan, please give your name or roll number, whatever, anything. Abhishek is already in. Please, make it fast, guys. Ashish Raj, Avinash Reddy, Sanjay, Akshobhya.
సార్ నా డేటా స్లో ఉంది సార్ నేను రాలేకపోతున్నా
పర్లేదు నువ్వు ట్రై చేస్తూ ఉండు, మిగతా వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవుతుంటారు ఫాస్ట్ గా.
okay, sir.
అబ్జర్వ్ ద గేమ్ ప్లీజ్ ఫాస్ట్. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే మీరు వన్స్ నేను గేమ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాక దట్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బి విజిబుల్ టు యూ హియర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. మీకు స్క్రీన్ మీద మీ మొబైల్లో ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే క్వశ్చన్ రాదు, ఆప్షన్స్ రాదు, జస్ట్ కలర్స్ వస్తుంది. ఏ కలర్ రెడ్, బి కలర్ బ్లూ, సి కలర్ ఆరెంజ్, డి కలర్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్. అలా వచ్చిన తర్వాత సపోజ్ ఏ కలర్ రెడ్ ఉందనుకో, ఆప్షన్ ఏ అనుకోండి, రెడ్ కలర్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి, అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ ఫాస్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి 1000 పాయింట్స్ వస్తుంది, లీడర్ బోర్డ్ లో ఉంటారు. అట్లా ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఎవరు లీడర్ బోర్డ్ లో ఉంటారో చూద్దాం. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
సెకండ్ క్లిక్ చేసి రాదా సార్? ఓన్లీ ద పర్సన్ హూ క్లిక్ ఫస్ట్ విల్ గెట్ ద పాయింట్.
హూ ఇస్ ద పర్సన్ హూ క్లిక్ ఫస్ట్ విత్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కూడా ఉండాలి, ఫస్ట్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే కాదు, ఆన్సర్ కూడా కరెక్ట్ ఉంటే అప్పుడు టైమింగ్ లో ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ వస్తారో వాళ్ళు లీడర్ బోర్డ్ లో ఉంటారు. అర్థమైందా? 17 ప్లేయర్స్ వచ్చారు. ఇంకా దేర్ ఇస్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఆఫ్ 30 చేంజ్, 38, 17 ఉన్నారు. వేర్ ఆర్ రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేయర్స్?
ఇది లోడ్ అంటే ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
మైట్ బి నీ మొబైల్ నెట్వర్క్ మీద ప్రాబ్లం ఉండొచ్చు. ఫాస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయనా? Anyone else will join or shall I start? Please respond.
That trying sir.
స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్, మేము రాలేంలేండి.
స్టార్ట్ చేయనా? అట్లీస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ గేమ్ వరకు మీరు రెడీ
సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసెస్ కి టాపిక్ అయిపోయిన బట్టే ప్రతి టాపిక్ కి ఇలా ఉంటది. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
shall I start?
ఓకే సార్ స్టార్ట్
Okay,
చేయండి.
sir.
రావట్లేదు సార్.
ఎస్ సార్.
3, 2,
రాదు.
Yes, there are 5 questions. Identify the type of system from the figure given below. Press the red button if it is closed. Press the blue button if it is open. Press yellow color if it is isolated, and press green color if it is none. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Time up. So there are 6 people as given red, 4 as open system blue, 1 is yellow, and 1 is green. Next we'll move on to the next question. Now the leaderboard is Avinash Reddy. Right, let's see for the next question.
ఏది సార్ అసలు క్వశ్చన్ ఏం లేదు సార్.
అక్కడ కనబడదు, నేను ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తున్నా స్క్రీన్ లో చూడాలి. మీరు స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడాలి, నేను చూపించే స్క్రీన్ మీద. ఇది వర్చువల్ వన్. ఐడెంటిఫై విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్.
రీసెంట్ యాప్స్
ఇది మినిమైజ్ చేయండి, అటు చూడండి, మళ్ళీ దీని తర్వాత క్లిక్ చేయండి. విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ది ఇంప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్. ఓయ్ గాడ్, నో వన్ హస్ గివెన్ ఆన్సర్.
సార్ టైం సరిపోతలేదు సార్, ఇక్కడ వచ్చి అక్కడ చూడడానికి.
ఇక్కడ వచ్చి అక్కడ
టైమింగ్
Reming
20 ని
కొంచెం
40 చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? రైట్ నౌ ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫిగర్. నేను డిటెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను కూడా.
ఓకే సార్.
Kindly bear for this one. Next time I'll change 40 seconds. Now Avinash Reddy is again leading. Next, third question. Thermodynamics does not allow you. Option A, determine the speed of the reaction. B, determine direction of the spontaneous reaction. C, find the value of equilibrium constant. Third, the temperature when reaction will be spontaneous. Which doesn't allow. Edi allow cheyadu thermodynamics law. 11 answers still now. Yeah, stop. 5 is given to determine the speed of the reaction as correct. Answer is it doesn't allow you to determine the speed of reaction. Speed of reaction is everything in engineering mechanics. Okay, direction it gives a spontaneous reaction.
క్లిక్ కాలే నా ఆన్సర్.
క్లిక్ కాలేదంటే నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ అయి ఉండాలా, లేదా లేట్ అయి ఉండాలా, ఎందుకంటే టైం ఇక్కడ అయిపోయి ఉండాలా. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం ప్లీజ్ డు నాట్ వరీ, 40 సెకండ్స్ చేస్తాను, సో దట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ ఫర్ ఎవరీవన్. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
Next, the answer other one is find the value of equilibrium constant. Yes, equilibrium constant kuda find out chestam thermodynamics lo. Temperature, obviously temperature is known in the thermodynamics. This is question number 3. Next question number 4. Avinash Reddy is again leading 1630. I want Vasu to compete, and next is 666 Suhan and all. Next, fourth question. In thermodynamics, everything else that we're not studying is called latent heat, internal energy, the system, the surroundings. Latent heat A, red color. Internal energy B, blue color. The system C, and the surroundings green, D. In thermodynamics, everything else that we're not studying is called. 16 answers. Fast. Your time up. Now the answers is given as green color to surrounding. D option is given 7 people correct. We'll move on. The thing is, which is not studying. We are not studying in detail about the surrounding. We are least bothered about that. Internal energy is a property we will learn. Latent heat due to the temperature rise, obviously it changes. We will learn. The system is our focus. We'll learn. Avinash Reddy is again leading. Last question. Which of this is not a part of thermodynamics? Specific heat, temperature, heat transfer, inertia. A, red color, specific heat. B, temperature, blue color. C, heat transfer, yellow color. D, inertia, green color. This is not part of thermodynamics. Which is not part of thermodynamics here? Option. Time up. Yes, everyone has given right answer. Very good. Excellent. Because inertia is, which is not we are learning here, which we'll be learning in engineering mechanics. So now the leaderboard, Avinash Reddy, please give a round of applause, please. Congratulations, Avinash Reddy. You're the winner of today's class. You're given 4 out of 5 with 3,422 marks. And runner-up is Suhan. Another one is given 666, and another one is Omar. Suhan is 4th
Congrats,
position.
Suhan.
సార్ 666 ఎవరు సార్?
Sure, నాకు తెలియదు ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు.
సయీద్ అనుకుంటా.
Please give your name.
సయీద్ ఏమో సార్. అబూబకర్.
Abu Bakr. Yeah, right. Congratulations, Abu Bakr and Umar. You are 2nd and 3rd winners, right? So this is about the Kahoot. We'll have this kind of interactive fun games also in our class. Once we are done at every topic, we are done with the system 1. Next, properties, process, all those things. In the next class, we'll also play another game. Now I'll change the time from 20 to 40. Please be ready. I guess you are aware of this now. So this is available in Microsoft Teams. See, here it is there. Okay. Related to the Microsoft Teams, I have made a separate video. Please go through the general section and click these links. I've given you a detailed explanation of Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, everything over here. You can learn from that who are not aware. I request rest of the people to join. Here I will show some files here. I want some work to be done from your side. There is a student list which is given here. There are a lot of advantages. Please, if you are be a part of the teams, you can enjoy all those things. Next class, I'll take polling also in between. Whoever is answering the poll will get the attendance. Okay. That poll is from Microsoft Teams itself. See here, I will show you the poll. I'll ask you the questions like this. What topic is presently going on? Whether it is basics, first law, second law, you have to answer this. Whoever is answering, that names will be visible. For that, people only attendance will be given. I'm not going through the Google Classroom, the attendance and all, because your mobile on చేస్తున్నారు పక్కన పడేస్తున్నారు అలా కాదు.
Sir, if we give wrong answer, no attendance.
ఆన్సర్ అనేది కాదు, అటెండెన్స్ ఇస్తాను బట్ కంపల్సరీ పోలింగ్ చేయాలి. ఆన్సర్ తప్పు చేస్తున్నారు అని అంటే మీరు వినట్లేదు అని, అది మీకు మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ టు జడ్జ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఓకే నేను తప్పు ఆన్సర్, నేను సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, డీటెయిల్ అంత అడగను. ఏ టాపిక్ నడుస్తుంది, ఏం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాము, అట్లాంటి బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్సే అడుగుతాను. అదేనా, భయపడకండి.
Okay, sir.
అందుకని పోలింగ్ చేస్తే డైలీ క్లాస్ టైం అయినాక 20 minutes 25 30 ఎప్పుడైనా అడగొచ్చిన. అందుకని అటెన్షన్ ఉండాలి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు క్లాస్లో వింటూ. ఇది పోలింగ్. ఓకే, మీ జాబ్ ఏంటనంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్స్లోకి వెళ్తే స్టూడెంట్ లిస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఓపెన్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ నేమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మీ రోల్ లిస్ట్, రోల్ నెంబరు, నేమ్, మొబైల్ నెంబర్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. మీరేం చేస్తారంటే టీమ్స్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఈ మొబైల్ నెంబరు, ఈ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఎంటర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ జాబ్ నౌ. ఇప్పుడున్న డొమైన్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి చేయండి, కాలేజ్ చేయండి, పర్సనల్ అక్కర్లేదు నాకు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ బోల్డ్ చేసినవి ఏంటి అని అంటే, మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ టీమ్స్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. ఇది నార్మల్ బోల్డ్ లేని వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు. రోల్ నెంబర్ 15, 18, 19, 20, 23 ఇలా కొందరు ఉన్నారు. ప్లీజ్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ టు జాయిన్ ద టీమ్స్. 31, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 ఇవందరూ ఉన్నారు, జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. ఇక్కడ గుడ్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏదైతే సేవ్ చేస్తారో ఎంటర్ చేస్తారో ఆటోమేటిక్గా సేవ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఈమెయిల్, మొబైల్ నెంబర్, మీ అటెండెన్స్ కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇదిగో 75, 100, 100, 100.
sir.
కొందరు వచ్చేసి ఇప్పటి వరకు క్లాసే అటెండ్ అవ్వలేదు. ఐ విల్ కాల్ దోస్ నేమ్స్. హూ ఇస్ రోల్ నెంబర్ 30?
30
College
people
education,
are-
College, sir.
Huh?
He
30 left the college.
Left the college. Okay. Next 32.
32 is trying today, sir.
Okay.
After many days.
ప్లీజ్ ఈ 32 ని జాయిన్ అవ్వమనండి. ఇప్పటి వరకు 0 క్లాసెస్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ 35.
No response, sir.
నో రెస్పాన్స్, అసలు జాయిన్ అవ్వట్లేదు. వీడు కూడా 0. నెక్స్ట్ 36 నరేష్ ఉన్నాడా?
Late, sir. ఈరోజు.
ఒకడే క్లాస్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. ఇన్ఫార్మ్ హిమ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఫ్రెండ్. నెక్స్ట్ అనిల్ కుమార్ 37, 2 క్లాసెస్. నెక్స్ట్ సదాశివ 39, వీడు కూడా తక్కువ అటెండెన్స్ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ కృష్ణ ప్రసాద్ 15, దీని కూడా అటెండెన్స్ తక్కువ ఉంది, 1 క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాడు. ప్లీజ్
సార్ కృష్ణ ప్రసాద్ అసలు లేనే లేదు సార్.
లేదు, sir.
sir.
0 నా వీడు?
sir.
0 సార్. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి ఒక్కసారి కూడా కాలేజ్ రాదు.
అటెండెన్స్ ఎలా పడింది?
వెళ్ళలేడు.
అవునా? సరే, నేను
ఒక
note
క్లాస్
చేసుకుంటాను.
అటెండెన్స్ పడ్డది.
అదే కదా. సరే, నేను నోట్ చేసుకుంటాను వీడిని. ఇప్పుడు రావట్లేదు అని అంటే వీడు రోల్ నెంబర్ 30 కూడా రావట్లేదు కదా,
Yes, sir.
ఈ 32 కూడా రావట్లేదు కదా.
వాడు ఈరోజు ట్రై చేస్తుంటాడు
32 రావచ్చు.
32 ట్రై చేస్తున్నాడా?
Ah,
సరే, వీడిని తీసేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడేంటి 35 సంగతి ఏంటి?
ఏమో సార్ వాడు
ఎవరైనా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటే ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి వీడికి.
Sir, why is my attendance 75%, sir?
You are absent for 1 class, I guess. Roll number 6. 6 is 100%.
Okay, sorry.
Attended all classes.
38.
Okay, please enter your mobile number and email over here. You can go to Microsoft Teams, General Channel, and Student List.
సార్ 38
General
ఎంత
Files,
సార్
Student List. దీని మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. రెగ్యులర్ గా మీ అటెండెన్స్ కూడా ఇక్కడే అప్డేట్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటది. అటెండెన్స్ కావాలంటే చూడొచ్చు. ఉమర్ 34 అప్డేట్ చేశాడు, మోడిఫై చేశాడు లాస్ట్. హూఆర్ ఈస్ మోడిఫైయింగ్ లాస్ట్, దట్ అక్కడ ఈ పేరు వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ టైం టేబుల్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ
సార్ ఎట్లా చేయాలి సార్ ఇది మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్?
జస్ట్ ఎంటర్ చేయండి. మీరు డెస్క్టాప్ యాప్ లో కానీ లేదంటే వెబ్ వర్షన్ లో చేయొచ్చు, మొబైల్లో చేయరాదు.
మొబైల్స్ అన్నది.
But it's not there on general, sir. I can't see on general.
It will be there in the general itself. Here
The
is the
last
timetable. You can
message,
see there.
This is the
See
last
here.
message.
General files. Go to files.
Okay.
In files, you will be finding. There is a video also which I posted yesterday. How
Yeah,
to
from-
use your Teams and all in the mobile and also in your laptop. Please make sure everyone to join. Okay. Shall we stop now? Already, I guess other teacher is waiting.
Yes, sir. Waiting, sir.
Yeah, please. We'll meet in the next class with the next topic, that is properties, process and all. All right. Thank you. I'll give you attendance based on all this. Thank you so much. Bye.
thank you, sir.
అక్షుభ్య,
ఏం క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడు?
అక్షుభ్య, మరి అక్షుభ్య. అరే రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ చేయరు రావడం కూడా.
అక్షయ లేడు.
పొంగనే ఉరికిండా సారంబడి.